Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video we will learn how we can delete a Lightning Web component from the Salesforce org. So first I will navigate to the VS Code IDE that I have integrated with my Salesforce org. So this is the VS Code in which I have created the project LW series, and here in the project, to view the LWC component we have to go to the folder LWC. So here you will see all the Lightning Web components that you have created. And for example, you are going to delete a Lightning Web component that you have created and deployed in your Salesforce org. So there are two ways to delete the Lightning Web component. That either you can select the options SFDX delete from the project and the org, and another way to delete a Lightning Web component is using the Salesforce Developer Console, where we have to run a SOQL query that will return a list of Lightning Web component according to the search results, and from there we can select and delete the Lightning Web component. So let's see how we can delete a Lightning Web component. And before that, I will just take few seconds to introduce our newly launched Salesforce admin course. So first let me show you the course content. So this is our newly launched the Salesforce admin course, and I will also mention the course link in the description from where you can access and view the course. So we have designed this course specifically for the beginners and the people who want to learn the admin part. So in this course you are going to get more than 50 hours of video content, including PDFs and solution. And for this course we have covered every module in depth. You can see these are the modules that we have covered in this course, that is introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce navigation and setup. So in the modules you can see the table of content so that you will have an idea what are the topics that we have covered in this admin course. And we have covered this course in 10 modules, so it will take you around 2 to 3 months to complete this whole course. And when it comes to the pricing, we have kept it $199 for the lifetime access. So once you purchase this course, you are going to get lifetime access for this course. So this was all about the course, and now let's move back to the topic. So now I am back on the VS Code IDE, and here in the Lightning Web Component section, and here in the LWC, you have to select the Lightning Web Component that you have to delete. So here in this example, I am going to delete the Lightning Web Component, that is sample data. So in this I have created a simple lightning data table, and it will show the information like ID, name and age in data table. And now to delete this lightning web component, we will right click on it and then select SFDX delete from project and org. And as we click on it, you will see this message that deleting the source file deletes the file from your computer and remove the corresponding metadata from your default org. That means deleting the Lightning Web component from VS Code using this command will remove the web component from both the VS Code and the Salesforce org, because when we create a Lightning Web component, we deploy it using the command sfdx deploy this source to org. That means we are deploying this code from the VS Code IDE to the Salesforce org. And with this command, we are deleting this Lightning Web component from both the places. So here click on the button delete source, and as you click on it, it will take some time. So as you can see, running sfdx delete from project and org, and here it is showing the message that sfdx delete from project and org failed to run. So the reason that Lightning Web component is not getting deleted is that right now the Lightning Web component is deployed somewhere in your org. So in my case, I have deployed this Lightning Web component, that is this one, that is sample data table. So in order to delete this Lightning Web component, we have to remove it from the Lightning page. So for that, you have to click on the gear icon and then select edit page. And here in the Lightning app builder, you have to click on the delete button and then save the changes. And after removing the Lightning Web component, I will go back to the VS Code and again run the same command to delete the Lightning Web component. So here again, I will select delete from project and the org. And in the warning message, select delete source. So as you can see, this time the Lightning Web component is deleted successfully. So as you can see, this is the Lightning Web component that we have deleted, and you won't see the name sample data in the Lightning Web component section. So this was the one way through which you can delete a Lightning Web component from the Salesforce org. And another way through which we can delete the Lightning Web component is using the Salesforce Developer Console. So to open the Developer Console, you have to click on the gear icon and here select Developer Console. So now in the Salesforce Developer Console, you have to click on the tab Query Editor, and here we will run the query to find out the Lightning Web component that we want to delete. So here is the query to find the Lightning Web component. So it will be select ID, developer name from Lightning component bundle. So here the Lightning component bundle is the object where the LWC components are stored. So the query will be select ID developer name from lightning component bundle, and here we click on the execute button and make sure that you have selected the checkbox use tooling API, and here we will click on the execute button. Okay, so here we have to write developer name like this without any space. So here again we will click on the execute button, and you will see these are all the lightning web components that are there in the Salesforce org that are deployed from the VS Code to the Salesforce org. And to filter out the lightning web component that you have to delete, you have to enter the name of that specific lightning web component also. So for example, I'm going to delete this lightning web component that is called data table. So for this we have to modify the query by entering the condition that where developer name equals to, and here we have to enter the name of the lightning web component. So it was sample data table. So here instead of equals to we have to write like. It will include all the lightning web components that have the name sample data table. So here I will write like, and then again click on the execute button, and here in the lightning web component name along with the percentage sign you have to keep this in comma, and here I will click on the execute button, and then it will show me the lightning web component with its name and the ID. So here you have to select the lightning web component and then click on the button delete row, and here in the confirmation screen click on the yes button. So now you can see the lightning web component is deleted from the Salesforce org, and now in the lightning app builder I will show you that lightning web component is visible or not, is still available or not. So I will search the name, so it was sample data table, so it is not there. So this is how you can delete the lightning web component from Salesforce org using the VS Code and the Salesforce developer console. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.